The woman accused of killing a Fort Worth police sergeant while driving drunk pleaded guilty moments before the start of her jury trial. Hello, everybody. I'm Heather Hayes.
And I'm Casey Stiegel. Thanks for being here. It's 9 o'clock. DeAngele Evans pleaded guilty to intoxication manslaughter of a peace officer this morning. Evans admitted she killed Fort Worth Police Sergeant Billy Randolph after having more than 10 drinks and driving the wrong way back in August 2024. Fox 4's Peyton Yager was in the courtroom this afternoon and joins us with the live update. Hi, Peyton.
Casey, and for the first time in court, we saw body camera footage and dash camera footage of police officers on the way to the hospital performing CPR on Sergeant Billy Randolph in the back of the squad car and begging for him to pull through. We also heard testimony from fellow Fort Worth police officers trying to recount that tragic morning in August of 2024. In a police interrogation video shown to a Tarrant County jury Thursday afternoon, DeAngele Evans admitted she had more than 10 shots of tequila at a party before she hit and killed Fort Worth Police Sergeant Billy Randolph on August 12, 2024. Investigators later determined Evans had a blood alcohol concentration of 0.12. Evans pleaded guilty to intoxication manslaughter of a peace officer at the start of her trial Thursday. Now a jury will decide her punishment. In the opening statements today, prosecutors urging jurors not to let Evans escape accountability. The defense team not offering any excuses, but arguing this was, quote, an accident. Evans was driving the wrong way onto the I-35W exit ramp when she struck Sergeant Randolph, who was working an overnight 18-wheeler crash scene. Evans continued to drive for a quarter of a mile and tried to run away. She later told police conflicting stories of what she remembered, adding she also didn't have her glasses on. At the time of the crash, Evans was on probation for shooting her girlfriend under strict guidelines to not use, possess, or consume any alcohol. We spoke to Russell Wilson, an attorney not associated with this case.
The defense and the defendant may have concluded that it would be better to accept responsibility for the conduct and then attempt to what we would call mitigate it.
The maximum punishment, life in prison. The jury must unanimously agree on a number.
They deliberate about it, but there's not a specific methodology to it.
And today's testimony ended with two crash investigators showing pictures of the crash scene, including Evans's shattered windshield. The jury also saw photographs of Sergeant Billy Randolph's bloody badge and bloody vest. Now, testimony will continue tomorrow morning at 9 a.m.